know what I was thinking about. This week, I know I look rough. But I had a lot to do this week. I had to, the weather has broken. The air is not that humid, because when the air is humid, we don't go outside and do no work. You won't catch me out there, okay, doing nothing. But I need to power wash the front porch. I need to power wash the back deck. I needed to prune roses. I needed to get the weeds out the garden. It was a mess. It had to get done. It's fall. It's my favorite season of the year. And I get to it in the spring. I did not tell my landscaper to the garden, so he didn't. It's a mess. Well, it was a mess. It's cleaned up now. I take care of that, and somewhere it did not register to me that I'm a woman of a certain age, in addition to the fact that I have a chronic illness. But my brain was giving me all the motivation. Okay, one thing about my mind is gonna tell me that I can do whatever it is I want to do. And today I'm sore. Ooh, I'm aching. My arms feel like I got jumped. Me and the power washing machine just going at it. Woo! And then the back deck, I had to power wash that, because the last time we painted was about I'm gonna say 13 years ago. Don't judge me. I was sick for about 6 of those, you know, so we couldn't do what we need to do. And that needs to be repainted, which I still have that to do. I have to repaint the pillars, repaint the back deck. I got steps on the deck redone. Those need to be repainted. On a fixed income, can't really afford to pay for somebody to do all that, so we do it ourselves. Take your time. Don't go too crazy. You'll be fine. Turn my oxygen on like 8, because we got to be able to breathe. I have to have that sense of independence still, a sense of normalcy, dependence, that I got this, to some degree. And then I gotta fix my hair, because what happens is, we don't really talk about it, but mama can't do all of that. She can't. There's no way I'm gonna shower, brush my teeth, and fight with this. Once I fight with this, I wasn't going outside to do none of that. What happened? Okay. I was behind on doing house improvements, so I had to and plus I had COVID, so that pushed it back too. And I don't do anything in the spring, like I said before, because the air be too thick, baby. It's too thick. Walk outside, and it was real thick this year, so sorry to my neighbors. It just looked a little raggedy for a while, but they all are. They be knowing. They know I get out there. They know when it's too hot, they ain't gonna see me out there. Not me. Whew. Now we gotta wash this, grease it, and get her back right, because what? She doesn't look like she's tangled, but she's tangled, y'all. The back is really tangled, because she's been like this for days. So like all up in here at the root, it is tangled like hell. So let me get this together. Hold please. I'm sitting in my shower, on my shower chair. I do have on a bathing suit. Is this the only way I wash my hair? No. No. But today I'm just giving you all a glimpse of how I do this. Shower chairs are important. Get you one if you don't have one. I left, well, the Pantene in the Head and Shoulders is in my kids' bathroom, but today we're going to use this, which is Philosophy. And as you can see on the bottom, it can be used as a shampoo, shower gel, or a bubble bath. But let me tell you something. This stuff detangles my hair like no other. Like the Pantene conditioner does. So I'm going to put this on, especially at the roots, and I'm going to let it sit so that it can loosen it all up. because we don't want to pull our hair, and we don't want to fight with hair today. It's a lot, and I don't want to fight with this. I just want to clean her, grease her up, and braid her back, and put her back braided. Y'all, my body is so sore. My arms are so sore. Because I was out there like I was 13, wielding the power washer gun. But like I said, at least the house is clean. Woo! I was looking crazy. Whew. I know my neighbors like, what is going on? Cause whew. But then again, they probably didn't even notice, child. We be thinking people notice stuff, and in reality, they don't even be looking or caring. We care more than they care. Now, even though I'm gonna let this sit, I'm about to turn the shower back on because my back cold. Cause what? It is cold in here. I don't sit up here. Woo-hoo. We pay for the water, so we're gonna turn it back on. Y'all remember this? Yes. Yes. I still use it. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Gotta get in between, get everywhere, reduces the tangles, keeps your hair soft, well moisturized. That way you don't mat up too bad. Keeps those edges nice. Look at that. Yes. Go back to what your mama taught you. I don't care if you're wearing a lace or what. We got away from grease. Went to Old Sheen, and I still like Pink More moisturizer. I won't lie, I like that. I love Pink More moisturizer. But you still got to have that grease. You gotta have it. And I'm probably breathing hard. Life of a pulmonary patient who still has to maintain and take care of themselves. I like to put a lot because your hair, my hair suck all this up. My hair does suck all this up. So I like to make sure I really get in there and try to get most of my hair greased. The more grease, the better over the days to come. It won't be dry. Dried out, I should say. And that's how we keep, or that's how we do our hair. I probably just braid it back up and then to this protective style. So that is done. One thing I absolutely hate when washing hair is all the shedding, the breakage. Ugh. Hair everywhere. Whew. Now I gotta clean the bathroom. Talk to y'all later.